guys, welcome back to our channel. We are happy to see your support on our channel. Please subscribe and keep supporting like this. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all about spicing things up and exploring new ways to connect with your partner. We're talking about some of the wildest, most exciting sex positions that many women love. Now, before we get started, keep in mind that every relationship is unique, and what works for one couple might not work for another. Communication, consent, and comfort are key. And remember, it's all about having fun and building intimacy. So, let's get into it and explore some exciting ideas to add to your romantic playbook. 1. The standing ovation. Let's start with a position that's all about passion and spontaneity. The standing ovation. This position is perfect for couples who want something intense and intimate. It's best suited for times when you're already standing close, so it works well in the shower, the kitchen, or wherever the moment strikes. In this position, the woman wraps her legs around her partner's waist while both are standing. It requires some balance and strength, but it creates a thrilling level of closeness. The intense eye contact and close body contact can make this a favorite for many women. 2. The lotus position. The lotus position is a mix of sensuality and intensity. It's a seated position where both partners are sitting face to face, with the woman straddling her partner. Her legs are wrapped around him, and both are holding each other closely. This position encourages deep intimacy, as it allows for slow, rhythmic movements and plenty of eye contact. It's about connecting on a physical and emotional level, making it an ideal position for couples looking to blend intensity with a strong emotional connection. 3. The tabletop. Next up, we have the tabletop. This one can be exciting for those who want to experiment outside the bedroom. It involves the woman sitting or lying back on a sturdy table or counter, while her partner stands or kneels between her legs. This position is thrilling because it's not something you'd typically do, which adds an element of excitement. Plus, the height difference allows for deeper connection and control. Just make sure whatever surface you're using is stable and comfortable. A quick reminder, when trying new positions, take it slow and communicate with each other. Not every position is right for everyone, so keep an open line of communication to make sure you're both comfortable and enjoying yourselves. 4. Doggy style with a twist. The classic doggy style gets a new edge with a slight twist that many women find incredibly enjoyable. To spice it up, the woman can rest on her elbows, lowering her upper body, which allows for a more intense experience. This position can be wild because it allows both partners to take things at their own pace. Some women enjoy the depth and angle of this position, as it can lead to unique sensations and a feeling of intensity. 5. The cowgirl with a reverse twist. If you're looking for a position where she can take control, reverse cowgirl is a go-to. In this position, the woman is on top, but instead of facing her partner, she's facing away. This position allows her to control the rhythm, depth, and intensity, which can be a big plus for many women. Plus, the different angle adds variety, making it exciting for both partners. 6. The wheelbarrow. For couples who are feeling adventurous, the wheelbarrow is a fun and intense position to try. This one requires some strength and coordination, so it's not for everyone, but if you're up for it, it can be incredibly thrilling. In this position, the woman is supported by her partner while her hands are on the bed or floor. It's physically challenging, but can be fun for couples who like experimenting with more unusual positions. Just make sure both of you are comfortable and can maintain balance. Remember, trying new things is about exploring and finding out what you both enjoy. The goal is to have fun and create memories, so don't take it too seriously. Just enjoy the experience together. It's done by lying side by side, with one partner behind the other. The spooning position allows for a close, affectionate experience that many find comforting and intimate. Plus, it's great for lazy mornings or quiet nights. 8. The couch straddle. If you're looking for a position that can be spontaneous and fun, the couch straddle might be the one to try. This involves the woman straddling her partner while he's sitting on the couch. It's similar to the lotus position, but a bit more casual. This position gives both partners control over the rhythm, and the couch provides support. It's a fun position because it's easy to transition into while watching a movie or hanging out together. 9. The missionary with legs elevated. For a twist on a classic position, try missionary, but with the woman's legs elevated. This can be done with her legs resting on her partner's shoulders or wrapped around his back. This slight modification allows for deeper connection and different sensations, which many women find enjoyable. It combines the closeness of missionary with a little added intensity. Alright, so now that we've covered these wild and exciting positions, here are a few tips to make the experience as enjoyable as possible. A. Communicate openly. Always talk about what you like and what feels good. If you're trying a new position and something doesn't feel right, let your partner know. It's all about making sure both of you are comfortable and enjoying yourselves. B. Set the mood. Lighting, music, and setting can make a big difference. Whether it's candles, a favorite playlist, or a cozy setup, a comfortable atmosphere can help both of you relax and get into the moment. C. Take your time. There's no need to rush. Trying new positions is about enjoying the experience and connecting with each other. Take breaks if needed, and don't feel pressured to get everything perfect. D. Have fun with it. Remember, intimacy is about building a connection, so keep it light and fun. Laugh if things get awkward, and enjoy exploring each other's preferences. So there you have it. These are some of the wildest, most exciting positions that many women love, and they're all about adding variety and spice to your relationship. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these, or if there's a position you think we should cover next. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content here on Old Monk Wisdom Talk. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay connected, and keep exploring.